up guys? It's me, Ruth, and this is how I do it solo. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this fall makeup look, perfect for the bare months, using items that I haven't tried before. So it's kind of a first impression and a makeup tutorial in one. And if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching this video. Okay, so yung gagamitin kong foundation today is the Maybelline Superstay 24 Full Coverage Foundation. So di ko pa siya na-try before. I'm going to try it now. Kasi yung dati kong gamit is Maybelline na Fit Me. Pero nag-oil ako dun. So gusto ko i-try ito para makita ko if talaga ba siyang 24-hour stay. So I'm in a shade 1 to 8 and gagamitin ko lang yung sponge. So medyo thick siya pag in-apply and hindi siya gano'n nag-blend if dinadab ko, unlike dun sa Fit Me. So siguro dapat parang spread lang siya. Okay, so can you see the difference from here and here? So ito yung side na may foundation na, and pansin ko na parang matte na siya, medyo parang powdery siya. And natakpan niya yung redness ko, so mukhang maganda itong foundation na to. So I'll just put it all over my face. Ayun lang, feeling ko parang mas madami yung nagagamit ko na Superstay kaysa sa Fit Me. So this is what the foundation looks like when it's on. It looks matte. It looks really matte. Unlike the Fit Me na medyo may dewy pa siya. Kahit na damp sponge yung gamit ko, matte pa din siya. So it's a change for fall makeup kasi di ba pag bare months na mas gusto natin yung medyo matte na, hindi na tayo yung dewy look, sweaty, gano'n na finish. So mas okay to para sa bare months. Okay, next. I'm going to powder my face. I'll be using the Colorette Flexi Powder in the shade Almond. Recently, naglabas sila ng bagong shade which is for Pinays with a darker skin tone para sa mga morena, kasi yung mga unang lang na-release is more for mestiza from light to medium. So feeling ko matte na yung finish, so onti lang ilalagay ko na powder. Wait, I forgot to conceal. So magpa-concealer muna ako. I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me. Wala akong bagong concealer, so I'll just be using this one. I'm in the shade Fair. So when it comes to fall makeup, you want a more matte finish, more flawless skin tone. So balance lang siya. Okay, so I'm going to set that concealer using the powder, the Colorette powder. And then I'm going to contour my face using the BYS Contour Trio. I don't have a new contour palette to show you guys, so I'll just use this one. Okay, so that is my base. I'm going to bring you in closer para sa ating eyebrows and eyes. So I'll be doing my brows. I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Ink Pen. This one is the darkest shade. I don't know what color it is. So it has this tri-tip pen. It looks like a fork. So it's supposed to mimic those with brow tattoo. So ayun lang gagawin ko. Iba-brush ko lang siya as if parang dinodrawing ko yung mga strands. Ang effect niya is very light lang. Hindi siya yung Instagram brow. More on siya sa feathery brows, natural looking brows. Kasi parang yung gusto kong maging highlight ng look na to is yung eyes and the lips. Okay, so ito yung finish ng Tattoo Brow Pen ng Maybelline. Mukha nga siyang parang nagpa-tattoo, tama. Ayan o. So, dinrawing ko lang siya. Diba? Parang itsura ng mga nagpapatattoo. So, ayun. If you wanna achieve that pero you're scared, you should try this Tattoo Brow Ink Pen ng Maybelline. Next, I'm going to do the eyes. Wala talaga akong bagong eyeshadow palette, pero marami akong na-receive na mga liquid lipsticks and tints na tingin ko pwede ko siyang gamitin for my eyes. Like, these are the colors. Very fall. So, there's plum and reds and brown. So, I'm going to try to create an eye look using these colors. So, start muna ako ng base. I'll be using my Skin Potions JETSETTER palette. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit sa lahat ng makeup looks ko kasi parang ang ganda niya. Kompleto na siya sa colors. So, may nude, may plums, and my browns. First, I'll be applying this shade called Canberra. Next, I'll be using this New York shade. And I'll be applying that underneath my eyes. Also sa crease part. Now, I think I'm ready to put on some color. I received this Ultra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. It's in the shade Americano. I think it will look good as an eyeshadow kasi it has that kind of metallic sheen to it. So what I will do first is I'm going to put it at the back of my hand. Ayan yung color niya. And then I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush. And then I'm going to use it. I'm going to dip it here. So the thing about using liquid lipsticks as an eyeshadow is you have to blend it really well. Ang ganda kasi medyo matte siya tingnan. And may color agad siya, may pigment agad siya kasi liquid lipstick siya. Yeah, I think I'm done with that color. Next shade that I'm going to try is this Colorette in the shade Giggle. This is the Super Matte, also a liquid lipstick. And it's this kind of an orange shade. So I'm doing this sort of a dabbing motion. So ayan siya, medyo peachy, orange, brownish. Actually, magkakahalo sila. I'm going to put that same color underneath my eye. Ooh, ang minty niya sa mata. Kasi minty talaga yung liquid lipstick. So medyo nagmimint yung mata ko. Pampagising. Now it needs a highlight or parang a highlight point sa eyes ko. I'm going to use a highlighter. I got this highlighter from Ofra. It's their collaboration with Nikki Tutorials and it's the Blind the Haters. Gusto ko sana siyang gamitin na highlighter but it's a dark shade. It's for darker skin tones. Mine is, as you can see, it's light. So pag nilagay ko siya, it won't look good as a highlighter. So I'm just going to use it as parang pang-highlight ko sa eyeshadow ko. So I think I'm kind of done with my eye makeup. I'm just going to put on eyeliner and some mascara and I'll be right. Okay, so guys, ito yung final eye makeup look. So gumamit ako ng mga brown shades, orange, naging pinkish siya actually. Gusto ko yung effect niya na medyo may plum and brown effect. And then, nag-mascara lang rin ako. And then, imbes na gumamit ako ng liquid eyeliner, is gumamit ako ng black na eyeshadow para i-draw yung parang eyeliner ko. So, this is the final eye look. Now, I'm going to proceed with my cheeks and my lips. I received this one. It's the Colorette Duality in Kilig. And this is kind of a lip and cheek tint, pero it's more velvety. It's not watery. So, tatry ko siya as a blush. So, for this look, gusto ko medyo closer sa eyes yung blush ko. I use a sponge kasi all you need is a little bit. It becomes too much kasi when you apply it directly, yung duality. Ang ganda tingnan kasi nandito lang siya. Iba kasi nilalagay nila yung blush dito mismo. So, I'm not, feeling ko hindi bagay sa akin yun. Kaya, dun lang ako sa may parang nagiging contour lang din siya. Sa taas lang siya ng contour. Dab lightly lang. Kasi diba, when it's summer, the trend is kind of drunk blush and papaabutin mo talaga siya dito sa nose. Parang mukhang sunburn. Pero pag fall, parang dito lang. Kasi, alam mo yun, parang pag sa movies, kapag nasa winter, nasa snow, parang nagpipink lang yung dito nila. So, ayan yung gusto kong ma-achieve. Feeling ko naman may winter dito. So, ayan, daanin natin sa makeup. You can always add more. Much better na mag-apply muna kayo ng onte and then build it up kesa sa madami na agad kayong i-apply and sobrang hirap na i-blend. After I put on my blush, I'm going to be applying my highlighter. I'll be using this Colorette Face Gloss in Northern Beam shade. Powdery siya. And then, apply ko lang siya dyan. Over here. Blend it in. Para lang may onting sheen. Not too much. Swoop. And then, in circular motions, blending ko lang siya. Para ma-accent yung nose. And then, Cupid's bow. I'm almost done. I just need to decide on what lip color to use. This is the Ofra Liquid Lasting Lipstick in the shade Mina. And I also have this Colorette Color Glaze in Lambing. So this is a gloss, this is a plum. So I think I'm gonna mix this to both. Gagawin ko lang muna siyang ombre. This one, the Mina. I'll be putting it sa inner part ng lips ko. So yan yung color niya. And then I'm going to be applying this color glaze in Lambing. Hopefully it gives it a more effect. The gloss applied, so mas parang lumabas yung pigment no Ofra, and yeah, I think I like this look. It's you can tone it down a little bit so you can wear it for every day. Pero on special occasions or for upcoming events, parang ang cool niya. Tingnan. I'm just going to add a bit more contour para very fall na talaga. So that's it, guys! How do you like my look? So medyo nag-experiment lang ako. I didn't plan how I'm going to do this look. Pero hopefully you guys enjoy it. And I will leave all the makeup products that I use in the description box below. So ayun guys, I hope you could try this look para sa mga upcoming parties nyo. And ayun guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And turn on the notification bell so you'll get notified when there's a new video. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!